All right, so we were working in Audience Lab today, and you guys had some questions about pixels. And so I started writing it out, but I thought, I'll just do a video for you. But let me read through this first part so that you kind of understand it. So if you have a domain, and we look at this example up here, learn.audiencelab.io, the domain is actually audiencelab.io. The thing in front of it is the subdomain, right? And then anything after it, such as www.audiencelab.io/pixel, that's just a URL that's on that domain, okay? So hopefully that helps. But then I thought, okay, well, I better tell you where the pixel information goes as well. So if we go into here, inside of GHL, which RevCRM, which is our white label of GHL, where that goes is you would go into sites over here, and then you would go into funnels, and then you go into settings. Okay, so let me kind of start from the beginning. So you pick your funnel, each funnel, okay, and go into settings. And then you put your intake pixel tracking code here, okay? And then for websites, again, this needs to be done for each funnel, okay? When you're working with GHL. And for websites, same thing. We go into the website. Also, per website, you need to put this in there. So, for instance, for us, we click on Rev, and then we go into settings, and then we're going to put that tracking pixel in here. All right. So I hope that that helps. And what that will do here inside of the website is that any URL below it, it will add the tracking code, because we're saying that for this entire site, track this information. Okay. And then for the funnels, it will be for any page inside of the funnel, it will track it, okay? If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask me below, okay?